Very good morning to all. In this video, we are going to study about Class 8th Chapter Light. Topic covered in this video will be defects of vision, myopia and hypermetropia. Now, what is this defects of vision? Defects of vision means when people they are not able to see properly. Okay, that is called as defects of vision. When normal eye functioning is affected, it results in defect of vision. There are mainly two types of defects: myopia, hypermetropia. Myopia means short-sightedness and hypermetropia means long-sightedness. Okay, short-sightedness means people are able to see nearby object but far away objects are not seen. Okay, now have you seen people, some of the people they bring the notebook very close to their eyes, and some of the people if you make them show a far away object, they say that we are not able to see clearly. So all of these people need spectacles. Okay, but spectacles, now what are these spectacles going to do? These spectacles are going to help them to see properly. In a normal eye, the light it passes through the cornea and the image is focused by the lens on the retina, and we all know that retina it consists of rods and cones, and the image is formed over there, which is interpreted again by the brain and we are able to see it. This is a normal eye. Now what happens when a person is suffering from myopia, a nearsightedness or short-sightedness? A person can see nearby objects clearly but cannot see far away objects. Okay, in myopic eye, the image is formed in front of the retina. It is caused by two reasons: elongation of the eyeball or decrease in the focal length of the eye lens. Correction can be done by concave lens. That means the specs for the person who is suffering from myopic eye will have concave lens. In a myopic eye, you can see the light is coming and the image is not forming on the retina. It is forming in front of the retina. That's why the person is not able to see clearly, because all the sensory cells are present on the retina, so he is not able to interpret that where the image is there. So for this kind of an eye we need a concave lens. Now you can see it over here. A person is looking at the tree, but the image of the tree is formed in front of the retina. It is formed in between, so he is not able to interpret or he is not able to see the tree clearly. Okay, so now what happens to this person if he is applied with an concave lens? Okay, now concave lens means diverging lens. It will diverge the rays of light. You can see it over here. A concave lens is placed in his spectacles and it is diverging the light rays, and then these light rays are meeting on the retina, and here the image can be formed. So this way a myopic eye can be cured. Okay, it can be corrected by using a concave lens or a diverging lens in the specs. Another type of defect is your hypermetropia. Hypermetropia means farsightedness. The person can see the faraway objects but cannot see the nearby objects. Okay, the image is focused behind the retina. It is due to the shortening of eyeball or increase in the focal length of the eye lens. Correction can be done by convex lens. Okay, myopia was done by concave lens, hypermetropia is done by convex lens. Convex lens is your converging lens. Okay, so here you can see in an hypermetropic eye the focal length, the image is formed behind the retina. So if it is formed behind the retina, again the sensory cells cannot sense it. That's why the person is not able to see. So for this type of hypermetropic eye, we need a convex lens. See, here you can see the image of tree is formed behind the retina, okay, and you know that all the optic nerves, all the sensory cells, rods and cones are present on the retina, so that's why the person is not able to see. Okay, so if we place a convex lens in this person's spectacles, now convex lens is converging lens, it will converge the rays, like you can see it over here in the second picture. A convex lens is used and it is converging the rays, and the rays are then formed on the retina. Okay, the image is falling on the retina, from where the person can interpret it easily. So these were the two defects of myopia and hypermetropia. Myopic eye needs a concave lens and hypermetropic eye needs a convex lens. Thank you very much. Hope you have understood the concept of the defect of vision.